The SQUEE is a great tool to use anytime you have a list of keywords that need to be searched, or if you're negotiating search criteria with opposing counsel, it can help vet potential terms before you agree to them. Open the search query editor by clicking the magnifying glass icon in the Search Panel toolbar. As we have a list of terms, let's immediately switch to text view using the toggle at the top right. Here we can delete the placeholder asterisk and paste in our copied paragraph using Ctrl-V on our keyboard. Now, with a bit of video magic, we'll clean up the text a bit by adding a hard return after each term and placing quotes around phrases. Quotes added around terms will return the exact phrase. If we had left out the quotes, our search would look for the individual words as if they were combined with the Boolean AND connector. Let's switch back to count view. The red highlighting indicates a syntax error, and here we can see we're missing an ending quote. Let's add that in. The added hard returns force each discrete expression to be listed on its own line, and this allows us to obtain statistics on each expression instead of the entire group of terms as a whole. We do this by clicking a calculator icon for an individual row, or the calculator icon in the gray area at the very bottom of the pane to calculate all rows. This displays counts for the number of documents that will hit on each term if the search is run, and the total when families are included. At the bottom, we see we have a total of 3,075 documents that will hit on our terms. However, that number goes up substantially when family members are added. Let's click the Report button on the top right of the pane. Select the two options to include values for family expansion and unique counts, and click the Preview button to look at the report in the browser. The SQUEE report displays unique document counts, allowing you to quickly tell if any documents hit on a single search expression and do not contain any of the other listed items. Here, we see several terms that would not return unique documents. If run on their own, the resulting hits would also contain one or more of the other listed terms. To export the report into Excel, click the Run button, and you will be prompted to download the file. Let's cancel out of the report and click the Apply button in the SQUEE to run the search. Keep in mind, this training example is simplistic in that we didn't analyze the terms before running the search. If this were a live project, we would want to examine the SQUEE report and decide whether to adjust any terms. For instance, Bob West, one of the phrases, might be looked at individually to see if it is a code phrase or a person's name. If it's a person's name, adding variations such as Bob/2West and Robert/2West should be considered. The / and the number 2 makes this a proximity search and ensures the first name appears within 2 words before or after the last name, thus accounting for middle names or initials. When deciding on the separation number for a proximity search, keep in mind the ending word. In this case, the last name is counted as part of the proximity number.